Hi English 101 students, welcome to the spring 2026 semester. My name is Professor Jacob Bodway. I will be your instructor this term. This video is designed to help you understand how this course will be organized. So basically, I'm just going to show you what to expect in this Brightspace shell. So to begin, you'll log in, you'll see the announcements will be posted every week on Monday, and I will have office hours every Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and you'll notice the Zoom link will be in the announcements. If you do not have Microsoft Word, there are options available at MCC. Please go down to the Microsoft Office announcement right here and look at the directions that I provide in the announcement. We'll then go to course content. This will be where you'll be spending most of your time. You want to download and print the course information sheet. If you want to, you can just download it and go over some of the general course information. The course overview, how the course will be organized, the CLOs, course learning objectives, software. You don't need to, there's no required software or textbooks in this class. Everything will be embedded in the course. Class behavior and etiquette. There's the due dates, which is located right here. Open that in a new tab. And you notice I have the entire semester lined out for you. So all you have to do is save this to your desktop and you'll notice when everything is due. Okay? Late assignments, how you'll be evaluated, attendance, and then artificial intelligence policy. Now, I do let you use some AI in this class. If you use artificial intelligence, any AI generated text, you need to cite that text. Otherwise, it's plagiarism, right? So you can use some of the brainstorming process, but I do not want you to use any in the final draft unless you cite it. I will be using an AI detection tool in Brightspace for all of your assignments. So keep that in mind. If there's a lot of AI in your essays and it's not cited, you'll fail that essay. So it's plagiarism, okay? So just keep that in mind. You can read that policy right here. Most of the time will be spent in the course content. You'll notice we have the entire semester broken up into weeks, and we're going to run on a Monday-Wednesday schedule. That doesn't mean you need to log in on Monday and Wednesdays. It's just a way to keep things organized for due dates and things like that. So just keep that in mind. So if you click on week 3, for example, okay, you notice you have lectures. Almost all the lectures will be a video lecture. You'll have discussion forums. You'll notice when the things are due. Video lectures, okay? So each week, just work through the semester 1 week at a time, and you'll have much better success than if you try to work ahead. Trust me when I say just work through the semester 1 week at a time, and you'll do much better than if you try to work ahead, okay? If you have questions about the semester or about anything, use the email tab up here in Brightspace. It helps me keep things organized, okay? If you have any questions, again, use this email tab. Send me an email throughout the whole semester. I will have announcements every Monday, and again, every Wednesday I'll have office hours on Zoom. Those are optional, but if you have questions, you want to visit me during my office hours, please do so. Have a great semester. I look forward to working with all of you. Take care.